At it just for probably an hour today, but I'll show you what I've been doing with a bit of my spare time in the last few days. I've been working on the floor of this thing still. Still nose down. It's fallen over, unfortunately, and got a crack in one of the windows. I was really trying not to break those. So, I guess one more window needs to be ordered for this thing. One of the butt braces folded down here and let her fall over. Anyhow, this is a front mount to mount the cab to the frame. Where this metal bar is, from here to about down here somewhere, it was a piece of wood that held the floorboards to the frame. They're pretty rotten. I'm not really happy with my welds here, but I welded in some metal instead because I figured it'd be a lot easier than trying to make another piece of wood. There's the end of the metal right there, and I put a bend in it just to make it sit flat on the mount. Did the same to the other side. Finally getting some new bolts on this thing. Getting some of the mounts back on the bottom of this floorboard. Here's the wood that I replaced with the metal. One for each side. Pretty rotten. And those go together. I had to cut it out because it was notched in. So, yeah, that's it for now.